taste of your freedom.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, where today, new to the toy cabinet, we have the Honda N600 Custom from 1970, from the Compact Kings line of products from Hot Wheels. And there is a detail on the card for which I am not really sure about. This reuse rights. If you know, leave a comment below, because I'm not really sure what this is. This seems to be a track, maybe? Again, I'm not really sure, but it doesn't really matter. As always, I have cut out the blister. Also, I wanted to make a small disclaimer about these things. I am well aware that keeping the models in their original packaging without it being damaged or things like that maintain the value of the model, but unfortunately I don't really care about that, because I haven't bought all these to keep them in the package somewhere to be dust off. I want to create future garage, so to speak, diorama of all my models, and enjoy them and display them and all that. But yeah, I thought I should address that. But let's take a look at this thing, because it is really nice. Of course, it's a bit heavy because the whole bodywork is metal, and there are a lot of details on it, on which we will get to really shortly. But I want to admire it for the first time. I'm like I say, I want to take you guys on a journey of these things. Outside Count Muscula, which we did in the later vid and in the previous videos, all Hot Wheels that I have are in their original blister, and I will do an unboxing for every one of them. But regarding the box, I think this is the first time we have a normal Hot Wheels box or card on the channel, and this is usually it. This blue background with the car for far greater detail, and the Hot Wheels logo, and the so to say, the categories they are from. We will have many of these, but this is number 141 of 250 from the Compact Kings. I have several of from this category, if I remember correctly, or fourth from fifth. Again, I'm not really sure about the categories Hot Wheels has on their products, but let's get back to this to this to this thing, to this really nice thing. And on the back, I don't know if you can see it, if the camera really focuses. Yeah, here we are. So we have the Honda name, license plate 70s and 600, which is a really nice detail if you ask me. This, and it says why Ryu. Again, I think it has a connection. Oh, this camera is killing me with this reuse rights, whatever that is. Again, if you know, leave a comment below. Yeah, going forward, these things, I originally thought these are the fuel caps, but there are two on each side, so I'm not really sure what these are. But the exhaust, this is a really nice detail. This camera is, yeah, the exhaust, the lights, the backlights are really detailed. Going forward, we have the door handles and the doors. Okay, the wheel arches are really interesting. I'm sure that on the full-size model this is not the case, as this is a custom car. Oh, I think this is the fuel cap. So I'm not really sure what these things are, but more than likely this is the fuel cap. I think this is an antenna of some sorts. The mirror, huh, really nice. Yeah, so it has only one mirror on driver's side. The interior, let's see if we can have a closer look at it. Nope. Let's see if I can use the flash. Here we go. Yeah. No, too bright. In any case, it has a detailed interior. Which is a bit odd. I don't know if you can see. There are two types of seats. So this is a more sporty seat, and the passenger seat is normal for the age of the car, I think. But a really interesting detail here. Okay, going forward, we have the windscreen wipers on this plastic. The bonnet scoop, I'm guessing this is an air channeling scoop. And the front. The front is interesting because we have this not spoiler. Yeah, it's a spoiler. This front section for channeling air, or at least to look cool. The Honda logo, I think this is an older version of the Honda logo. If this car is from the 70s, then I'm guessing this is the original logo for Honda. And this thing gets it right. If you remember from my previous videos, I had and still have a gripe with Hot Wheels, where sometimes the lights are non-existent, or at least they are not painted. On this model, as you can see, they made a really nice job of it. As these, if they are painted, they are painted, but I'm thinking this is a sticker of some sorts. But again, it doesn't really matter. This gives personality to the model. And I'm guessing these are the indicators. Yeah, these are the indicators. But yeah, really nice details on this little thing. What I'm not so sure about is the clear plastic. As you can see, this middle is the joining point between the chassis, this panel, and the whole car. I'm not really fond of this thing, and I have several models that have clear glass, and you can see this joining point. On the other hand, here it's under the bonnet, so we can see it. And this is, again, like as always, a small gripe, but it's obvious. That's the main thing. It is obvious. Yeah, if this was black, as it is a custom, it would have been perfect. But yeah, what can we do? It is what it is. Also, I'm noticing the latches for the trunk. Really nice. Yeah, this is a nice model and a really nice addition to the toy cabinet. Yeah, I will place it in the cabinet alongside the others that I have for now. If you want to see them, they are on the channel. The previous videos for Count Muscula and McLaren Senna, if I remember correctly. We haven't done and the one from Star Wars, but that's technically a Hot Wheel, but not a car. You know what I mean. Yeah, I will try and find it on Amazon and place the link down in the description, and look for photos of this car, the real one, to see if we can find it. More photos of this thing will be on our Instagram and the other social media. The song for the upcoming clip that that we usually do on the channel will be again in the description below. And yeah, this is really nice. I really like this thing. Yeah, thank you everyone for watching. Have a nice day and see you in the next one.